Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and if you're hosting, well, may the odds be ever in your favor. It's a juggling game of entertaining and feeding, making the day feel more like work than holidays sometimes. Luckily, a smart assistant can help. Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa both have skills that, when paired with a smart display like the Google Nest Hub Max and the Amazon Echo Show, can create a one-stop home hub for the holidays. When stationed in the kitchen, they're excellent tools for cooking too. Recommending recipes, showing step-by-step instructions, and managing oven timers are among the best Alexa and Google Assistant skills. But which smart assistant is the overall better sous chef for this Thanksgiving? Though both smart assistants support top-notch third-party services for cooking classes, I compared the cooking features that come right out of the box. I gave the Google Nest Hub Max and the second-gen Amazon Echo Show identical Show Me commands to see which I recommend using as your assistant in the kitchen. After asking both Alexa and Google Assistant for Thanksgiving recipes, a stuffing recipe that specifically uses cornbread, vegetarian Thanksgiving side dishes, and a tutorial on how to baste a turkey, I learned that there were unique advantages to each assistant. Alexa had better recipe options, but Google Assistant handled multiple commands and timers better. Of course, I also had to consider the interface and ease of communication. For this, I took work home with me for a hands-on test where I used each for a trial run of my signature holiday dish, baked brie. Welcome to my kitchen, where I escape my life as a tech journalist to channel my inner celebrity chef. So the only prompt I'm gonna give them is, hey, insert smart assistant, show me a recipe for a puffed pastry baked brie. I'm just gonna go with what they tell me to do and see which one gives me both the most creative recipes and also the easiest to follow. Let the Thanksgiving Smart Assistant showdown begin. Show me recipes for puff pastry baked brie.
All right, here are some recipes.
Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go with the first one on both these. A baked brie and puff pastry from the kitchen. Okay, doesn't have great ratings. Let's try it out. Hey Google, start cooking.
There are 29 steps.
29
I'll read them
steps?
one by one. When you're ready to hear more,
Bake-
you can say next step.
The reason I do puff pastry baked brie is because it is usually like 3 steps, so easy. So I'm already a little scared. So I have my Google Assistant baked brie in the oven. While that's cooking, I'm gonna start on my Echo Show one.
For puff pastry baked brie, here's a few recipes, and lots more.
And lots more indeed. Okay, so right off the bat, I can see that Alexa is offering a little bit more variety, but I'm gonna stick with the rules. I'm gonna go with the first recipe that Alexa suggests I should make. So Amazon's voice assistant has recommended cranberry brie bites to me. So Alexa, start recipe. The time has come. The second set of baked brie bites are about to come out of the oven. So there you have it. I have 2 different types of baked brie here, both of which came out so good. So I think moral of the story is that if you use either smart assistant to be your sous chef, you will get a good product. After completing puff pastry baked brie recipes with both the Google Assistant on the Nest Hub Max and Alexa on the Echo Show, I think I would opt for Alexa strictly as a cooking partner. I thought the recipe it suggested to me was both creative and easier to follow. But if you're hosting a bunch of people for Thanksgiving and have to multitask, Google Assistant will absolutely shine during the holidays. This has been Kate Kozich for Tom's Guide. On behalf of our team, have a happy and healthy Thanksgiving holiday.